attention to someone I was watching last week who was absolutely on fire with his analysis based on the indexes, and he follows those week in, week out. And I'm very pleased to say a very good evening in my case to my good friend Lloyd. G'day, buddy.
Hi, evening, Geoff. Yeah, last week was I think it was a good start for me. Blessing from the trading buddies. Yeah,
Mate, from what you showed us, those attending trading buddies for the next month are going to have a wonderful time.
I certainly
What's going
so.
on? What's going on this week?
Right. So let me share my screen. Okay. All right. So as Geoff has mentioned, last week was a pretty good week for me. So previous week I was sharing pound odds. I possibly go long. It did. I taken my profits. Same for odds Swiss. Oops. Yeah. So price retested the level, went short, and it actually went further, much more further than I anticipated. Yeah, so it was a good week for me. Now the upcoming for this week, now I still don't really see much strength overall in the market, but there are some good news, and I do concur with Ainslie analysis because CAT is strongly correlated with oil. Again, the level 80 has been on my chart for a long time. It seems that price might actually just be bouncing off the 80. So if you look at the daily time frame, you can see that price essentially, let me zoom it. Yeah, we do sort of have a inverted head and shoulder, and price seems to be testing $80 at the moment. Yeah, so if by Monday or Tuesday this is a successful test, then I don't think it will have any issue zooming past all the way to 83. Yeah, so there's an opportunity for us over here. Next will be actually the British index, British pound. So you can see that essentially price is still in a range. So at this point, if I have to pick a ranging currency to be a strong currency, that means the rest don't actually display much hope. Yeah. So now pound, I do think that it actually strengthened, but it does have 140 in its way. Yeah. So, but that's always the midpoint. If it clears this, then it will go up to 142, which is previous high. Yeah. Other than these two that's displaying some strength, the rest does not actually look good. They are actually weakening. But on that sense, it means that we do possibly have some pairs that we can trade against. So the euro and pound is always buddies. One is ranging, the other is definitely on range. So I don't need to share too much. You can pick either of these to do your range trade. Yen. So yen still doesn't have much of a semblance of a range. Yeah, it's just that price really is in the middle of nowhere, so I put it in the middle. Now Swiss, now this will be interesting. I rarely use a channel, but if it presents itself, then I'll just plot it in. So you can see that price clear 110, but really this level at this moment is actually kind of useless to me, and now because it's been broken several times. Now what's important is that price has really given me a consistent lower low and lower high, so it might just actually come back and retest channel. From over there, then we might have a really good shorting opportunity. So keep a lookout for Swiss. I don't think you'll be able to trade it on Monday or Tuesday, but in the middle of the week, this is something definitely that we can look for to trade. Short Swiss. Kiwi on the other hand, you can see that price has been sticking, it's really hugging near the 70. It doesn't seem to be going anywhere. But at the moment, since it closes below 70, my sentiment is that it will still go for a short position. Now, if we take away the horizontal level, this is still an interesting price. What's happening over here? You can see that this is really a bearish bar, and all these are essentially just inside. It's just inside bar. Yeah, inside of this main bearish bar. So what I do have here is possibly a flag pattern. Now, if price really just comes up to the high of the flag, then I'll be happy to actually go take a short position. Yeah, but that will be quite a pretty aggressive way of trading. So we shall see how it develops out. Next is DXY. Now dollar, it has bounced off this level very beautifully, taking advantage of it. So so officially this is the DXY is still in the range to me. So I just trade it all the way back down to 90 if I have an opportunity. And the last is the Aussie index. So Aussie index cleared from the range. Price drops all the way down, and now he has cleared a short-term horizontal level. So it does have a good chance to shoot all the way down to $70. Yeah. So in lieu of that, for the upcoming week ahead, what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to short Aussie CAT. Aussie CAT, I probably won't be trading it in the usual manner of break and retest, but there's a good chance that price might develop into a bearish flag. If that's the case, then I'll be trading the bearish flag. Otherwise, if no suitable entry is here, then I'll revert back to my usual trading style, which is a break and retest. And euro dollar, this is a bit more complicated. Price, essentially, you can see that it has already curved up, broke. So we might have a possible retest directly on Monday itself. If I don't have any suitable price action to trade, then I'll just wait for price to actually break the level, retest again, and trade from here. Yeah, so there's actually two possible levels that I can trade euro dollar long. So we shall see how that goes. Yep, so that's my analysis for the upcoming week ahead. And I'll be meeting everyone on Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday to Thursday. Yeah.
Perfect. At what time, Lloyd?
2:55 p.m.
Perfect. You got it, buddy.
Yeah. Okay.
Looking forward to watching the recordings of those if I can't jump in live at some stage, and enjoy that, mate. It's a great opportunity to chat with those who are interested, and I'm sure you'll have a wonderful time. Thanks for stepping in. Really appreciate it.